Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Medium for Writing Easy Guide. Start by choosing a focused topic and outline 3 main points before you write. Write an engaging opening sentence that hooks readers and promises value. Use headings and short paragraphs to keep pacing friendly and scannable. Add one image or embed to illustrate a key idea, and include a call to action asking readers to clap or follow. Choose a clear narrative thread and stick to it throughout the post to keep readers engaged. Use concrete examples and brief anecdotes to humanize ideas and illustrate key points. Aim for readability with varied sentence length and active voice. Remove jargon unless it serves a point. Conclude with a short summary and one practical next step the reader can take right away to apply the lesson from your piece. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you see more practical writing tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make lunch easy and clean, perfect for focused writing sessions and fewer dings to your keyboard. I find a tidy meal routine helps sustain writing sprints and creativity. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on consistent publishing to grow an audience and learn what resonates over time. Cross-post selectively and join relevant publications to boost discovery while following their submission rules. Track which headlines and topics get the most claps and reads, then iterate. Consider the Medium Partner Program and member-only content as a way to earn while building trust, and always prioritize value to keep readers coming back for more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.